iCloud offers an easy way to back up photos on your iPhone and iPad. But what happens to deleted photos? In this video, we'll explain how iCloud handles deleted iPhone photos and how to recover them, plus a tip for protecting your memories. Part 1. Do photos stay on iCloud if deleted from iPhone? Log into iCloud.com using your Apple ID. Click on the Photos tab and choose the Recently Deleted album. Select the photos you want back and click on the Recover button. Part 2. How to delete photos from iPhone, but keep them in iCloud. Go to Settings, tap your name, Sign Out. Enter iCloud credentials if needed. Open Photos. Select the photo, and tap the trash can to delete it. Part 3. How to recover deleted iPhone photos from iCloud backup. If you backed up the photos to iCloud before deleting them, you can restore the photos from the backup file. Mobican Doctor for iOS is a software that helps users retrieve lost data from iCloud backups, iTunes backups, and iOS devices. Here is how to restore photos from iCloud by using Doctor for iOS. Step 1. Launch Doctor for iOS. Launch Doctor for iOS and choose the Recover from iCloud module. Sign into iCloud account with your Apple ID and password. Step 2. Download iCloud Backup. The program will show you all synced files on your iCloud account in different categories. Just select Photos and click the Next button. Step 3. Recover photos from iCloud selectively. After the scanning process, all photos in the backup folder will be scanned out. Preview and choose the photos that you want and then click the Recover to Computer button to get them back. Part 4. A better way to back up iPhone photos other than iCloud. iCloud deletes photos after 30 days. Use Mobican Assistant for iOS to back up your iPhone easily and manage data on your computer. Step 1. Launch Assistant for iOS and connect iPhone. Download and install Assistant for iOS on your computer. Launch it and make sure that your iPhone is connected to the computer. Once the program detects the connected iPhone, your iPhone information will be displayed in the main interface. Step 2. Select the iPhone photos to back up. All iPhone data will be categorized on the left side of the program screen. To back up photos, you should choose the category of Photos. Preview and select the photos you need on the right part. Step 3. Start to back up iPhone photos. After selecting the photos you want to back up, you can click the Export button on the top menu to copy them from your iPhone to the computer. The process will take a few seconds or minutes, depending on the file size.